Hey, what's up? What's up, Sir Lunchalot? How are you doing? Very tired and somewhat exhausted. Work isn't funny at the moment. Yeah, true enough. Two. All right, I'm gonna try a thing real quick. Why is this so big? Oh, I know. Yep, I have the wrong one selected. There we go. There we go. There's my little cursor. Okay, so now we got to get the size of the screen. And actually, I've done this already in Droppy Ball. If I can remember where. It was in resolution. What's this? Aha. Display server get screen size. That's not what I want though. Get window, get size with decorations. No. Screen get usable rect. No. I think it's viewport. Got a newish recipe. Ooh, tell me about it. I already showed you the Outpass store. Okay, let's see. Get viewport transform. Is this what I'm looking for? Get scale. What's this? Vector 2i. I think this is what I need. Get viewport size. User manager. Yeah, you saw the last one. Okay. Why doesn't it like that? Shadowed variable base class. Oh, okay. S. That's fine. Is it this? Is it rect? Is that really not a thing? Aha, size. That's what I need. Mouse. Mass. Why didn't that trigger? Oh, I haven't hooked it up. Have I? I have hooked it up. Already connected. Uh-oh. Why isn't this working? On resized. Let's find out. Print. Oh. Really? That doesn't count as on resized like that? So, yeah, I'm hoping you're typing. I want to hear about this kebab recipe. Or kebab. I can't remember. Oh, there we go. There we go. For the next one, mix buttermilk, salt, pepper, lemon, chili flakes. Pour it over the chicken breast. Leave it in the refrigerator for 12 hours before slicing and stacking. Buttermilk. Salt, pepper, lemon, chili flakes. I mean, this sounds incredible. I have to try it. That's awesome. Is this just another dinner? A dinner type preparation? As bread, use Turkish pizza. And, oh, I think I know what you're talking about. And roll the meat with salad and sauce to roll. Turkish pizza is like the canoes, right? Oh. Yeah, I was thinking these. Is it these? The pizzas? Pide? Lamkun. Okay, so these ones. Okay. Roll the meat with salad and sauce to it. That sounds really good. Oh man. I wish I could eat like that all the time. Okay, I cannot figure out why Let's run this again and then look at the screen. So this guy is 640. And then when I go like this, it's supposed to be full rect. I guess this doesn't count as resizing. It's just a... Okay. That's interesting. You sell them like that? Dang. The magic lies in the buttermilk mix. I mean, I believe it. I'm sure you know this. You don't need me to tell you, but buttermilk is kind of the secret sauce for fried chicken in the southern US. Pretty sure it's how KFC does it. Pretty sure it's how Chick-fil-A does it. Popeyes. Oh, you didn't know that? Yeah. Southern fried chicken. Oh, look at that. Recipe buttermilk. Boom. Yep, they spicy buttermilk marinade. Yep, that's how they do it. Really? You don't even have Chick-fil-A? Man, that's crazy. I mean, I guess it makes sense. I don't go looking for the American franchises when I'm on vacation either, so I guess I wouldn't have paid attention. I always go to McDonald's, though. You gotta go to McDonald's. It's different everywhere. KFC is the only one. Besides McDonald's and BK. Okay. I'm a bit stumped on this. I thought this would work. I don't know how... I'm very confused how the viewport is resizing. Keep screen on, embed sub windows. Display server, nope. Man. Scaling, no. KFC is very expensive over here. A regular zinger is about 7 euros. Resolution, size. I don't know how we're doing this. It's resizable. Okay, the base size specified in width and height in the project settings is stretched to cover the whole screen. This means that everything is rendered directly at the target resolution. 3D is unaffected, while in 2D there is no longer a one-to-one correspondence between sprite pixels and screen pixels, which may result in scaling artifacts. Okay. Aspect keep. Scale mode integer. Okay. Can I detect... What is this? Size flag changed. No. The one we have here is more of a I came to see it once type of joint. They don't even have a drive-through. Yeah, honestly, I don't even go to KFC here in the US. It's been so many years, a decade probably. But I do occasionally go to McDonald's. It's just cheap food. If I need a lot of food for very little money, I go to McDonald's. It's not good, but it's cheap. Well, and I can eat anything, so saying it's not good is maybe a little bit of a lie because of course I like it. So the on resize thing is not working. I wonder if there's a way I can like display server dot. Are there some functions I can use? Godot display server. Yes, this one. Are there some signals at all? Enumerations. Wow. I'm not seeing any signals. Godot detect window resize. Oh. Interesting. Is that real? Get tree dot get root. Is that what it said? Root dot size change dot connect set cursor. Okay, let's try that. Viewport rect. Oh, there we go. We got a size changed, but it still shows 640 by 360. So I need to get some sort of, there's got to be something else. We'll just call this ASDF for now. Get window dot get visible rect. What's this? Returns the visible rectangle in global screen coordinates. Okay, try it. Okay, 640, 360, so that seems correct. And then when it resizes, it still says 640, 360. So that's not it. Okay, here we go. My wife and I want to do a tour through the US, LA, New York, San Francisco, and maybe a park or two with crazy roller coaster stuff. But foremost, I want to eat everything. White Castle, Wendy's, you name it. From 135 to 250. Dang, you're 135? That is so light. My goodness. That's so funny. That is so funny. But yeah, I mean, if you're coming to the US, there's better restaurants for fast food. And I'm not even talking like, because obviously you can find really great restaurants. There's amazing chefs in America, obviously. But I'm talking like the fast food. Popeyes is way better than any of those. And it's definitely an American thing. Raising Cane's. I mean, if you're going to the South, let's see. You said LA, New York, San Francisco. LA and New York are close to each other. Or sorry, LA and San Francisco are close to each other. New York is the opposite side. That's a 7-hour plane ride. But yeah, if you're going down to the South, if you go down to like Florida or something, you can get some good Popeyes, get some fried chicken, get some Cajun stuff. That's some good American cooking. Oh wait, I think I can do this. I can do viewport, get viewport rect, and then I can do scale equals get viewport scale. What is it? Scale. Get viewport transform dot get scale. Let's see if that's it. What does this give me? Oh wait, I think I have to do this now. Scale is 1:1. That's good. And then boop. 2. Okay, so I got the scale here. So I just I multiply. Okay, perfect. So set cursor. Okay. This is the rect. Oh, but also this is shadowed, so we'll just call it S. Oh, oops. Game size. We'll just do that. Rect. And might as well just like, because I can do dot size, right? Yeah. Okay, so let's do var game size equals rect dot size times scale. That's fine. And then I get, so this is going to be vector 2. I want a vector 2i though. Where's my scripts? Rect 2. There's no 2i's. Vector 2i. I think I can create it from a vector 2. Yeah. So we'll do set custom mouse cursor. Ooh, oh, here's another one. If you're going to be going to LA, you got to go to In-N-Out Burger. That's my favorite. I love In-N-Out. And then on the East Coast, you got to go to Five Guys, although I'm not as much of a fan of Five Guys. Let's see. Where am I going with this? Yes, I need to get a cursor. Bar cursor equal, or cursor size equals cursors at vector 2i game size. You heard of In-N-Out? Yep. Most people really hate the fries. Oh, just just exposing myself again as per usual. Okay, site settings. How can I get rid of location? Location block. All right, what does that do? Yeah, totally still exposes me. Whatever. All right. So, most people really hate these fries. I like them, but I'm also kind of weird where I'm not a huge potato fan in general. Basically, they like have this special fry press that they made that cuts these super thin fries. They throw it in the oil for a very short amount of time. So they are like really tiny and really stiff. They do have a fluffy interior, but the interior is so small that, yeah, anyway, people basically just, they call them cardboard fries and they hate them. I like them because I dip them in ketchup and I think it's amazing because I love ketchup. And I don't really care about fries. But the burgers are excellent. This is what they look like. They're so good. And also you can just like, you can juice up the fries. This is called animal style. It's a secret menu item. This burger is also animal style because it's got the pickles. Anyway, love it. That's good stuff. Cursor atlas dot region equals cursor size, or should I call this something else? grn region. Call it region. Oh, first I should check if things have changed. So current res, if, okay. Vector 2i. Okay, if game size does not equal current, oh no, equals current res, return. Although that's unlikely to happen. And then down here, we'll just do current res equals game size. And then we do this. Oh, and then this will be, the vector 2 will be this times scale. Nope. S. All right, let's try it. Great. It's not working. Oh. Yeah, I suppose. This is not correct for now. Okay, there we go. Now we got a cursor. It's that size. Fits in the game world, and then we resize, get a bigger, and now my cursor's bigger. And now let's go full size. Oh, it didn't like that. Invalid access to property 1920 1080. Oh, it does have 1920 1080. Ah, so I do need a triple. Oh, just do this. There's a triple size that I have to be aware of, which means that I have to do all of the other sizes. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. So this is going to get intense. Let's just do a little bit of this, a little bit of this. Should I do 256 to keep it within dev numbers? 128. Boom. Okay, so we need to move these a little bit. And I'm going to have to draw a new custom cursor that is 12 wide. Something like this. Okay, so now let's make it a little better. What if I do this? No, because it's... Okay, let's try this. Oh, no, because I need this up here. Interesting. It's not working very well. Or is it working? I can't tell. Let's try to bring it out to here. And then we'll just bring this like that. Does that look like the same thing? Kind of looks like the same thing. We can maybe get rid of the corners. Sure, why not? I mean, I guess if we're breaking the circle anyway, like, let's just go for it. Maybe I'll change all of the cursors. Okay, so we'll do that, and then now we can grab this guy back, put it right here, and then, so that was 3, and then 4, right, go 1, 2, 3, so this is the 4, right? I think. Yeah, so that's 64 times 4 is 256, right? Yes. And then times 5. Let's pull out the old calculator. 64 times 5, 320. 32000 or 00. And then we do 36 times 5 is 180. You ever played on 1800p? And then, oh, and then I guess it's just, so I guess I was wrong that this is 8x. This is 6x. I don't know why I put 8x. Okay. So we support up to 4K with this cursor stuff. So is this correct though? I don't think it is anymore, because it would be 8, 12, and then 16 here. And then 8 times 4 is 32. So that's correct. And then times 5 is 40. And then 8 times 6 is not 64, it is 48. Right? Yes. It must be. So actually, I don't need this big one. I just need one slightly smaller than this one. Come on. Select. That is... Wait, this one was what? This one is 32. How big is this one? Did I do this wrong? This is 16. Ah, there we go. That's the mistake. This one needs to be 24. This one needs to be 8. Okay, so it's not times on these. It's just plus 4 each time, right? In which case this would be 20, right? No, it's got to be scaled. But the scale of pixels is different than the scale of this a single side, because like this may be times 2 on both of these, but it's actually 4 times in size. Oh, shoot. I am struggling with this math. Let's try 16. Let's try going back to the doubles. So this would be 3. Is there no list somewhere? Well, I'm making this up. This is my own cursor. So 8 times 3 is 24. 24. And then 8 times 4 is 32. Oh, I almost just typed 32 times. Okay, and then 8 times 5 is 40. And times 6 is 48. Okay, so let's try it like that. So this one is actually going away now. No, not that one. The 12 is going away. Move this back over here. All right, and then the next one is 24. So we take this and we move it over. Nope. Move it over here. And we scale it up. Well, actually, if I take this one and scale it 3 times, that's probably a little bit better. I think I got it. 24, yep. And then this one is 32. and then 40. Take it over here and scale it to 40. Boom. And then last one, scale to 48. There. And I can do even better because this is a texture atlas. Let's be a little bit smarter. Move them in like this. Nah, I'll just do them side by side. It's whatever. There we go. Okay. Final answer. So now, then we just say, so it goes 8. 8 plus 16, 24. 24 plus 24 is 48. 48 plus 32 is 80. 80 plus 40 is 120. Let's double check in here that that is correct. Should be correct. So 8. I can just go over here, check. That would be 120 and 48 and 48. So I did my math right. All right, so now let's see. Did it work? One size, boom, perfect. And then big size, perfect. I don't know if you can tell, but the pixels on this cursor are the same size as the pixels in the game. And that is the point. So I have a cursor system now. Nice. I guess I'll try to hook this back up. GG. Yep, it's perfect. The next thing I can do is do full screen real quick. And that should do the 1440p because this is a 1440p monitor. So let me try that out. Ah. Invalid assignment of property of key region with value of type rect on base nil. On base object of type nil. So I guess this needs to be on ready. I thought that const would be okay. Nope, it's not working. Current value is nothing. Cursors is nothing, but it's right here. Oh, it's because I added this back in. All right, I guess we're not doing that. This doesn't have to be a control node anymore. And then we will just, yep, call that good. Okay, boom. Still having an issue. Oh, extends control, but it's not a control anymore. Oh, okay, I do need it to be a control node. Wow, I keep making funny mistakes. Okay. That didn't save, apparently. Aha! So here's the 2K cursor, and it appears to be the right size. Look at that, fits nicely with the pixels. Those bots are awful. Yeah, here, let's ban them. Banned. I love it. The screaming beaker. Nice. Okay, cursor system done. Oh, although I should probably have done a cursor for the hand. Here, let me write like notes for myself. Cursor hand? No, pointing hand. There we go. So, to do when we have a sprite for the pointing hand. Boom. We'll write okay, this will stay the same, but we'll add a pointing hand cursor. So let's just do like boop. And it'll be like hand cursor atlas, something like that. Actually, you know what? I have an idea. Let's do this real quick. We're gonna make, is there a duplicate? Yes. Hand cursor atlas. Let's just do like this yellow. Boom. Oh boy. And then let's get like this whitish. There we go. Okay, and then we'll save this as hand cursor. And then we go to here. We got to import this as a texture. Yes, hand cursor atlas. Will be hand cursor a sprite. There we go. And then that should be good. Did I call it the wrong thing? Hand cursor atlas. Do I have to do this? Whatever. And then the last thing is down here. Like this. Come on. Oh, it doesn't like this. Hand cursor atlas. What have I done wrong here? Cursor atlas, hand cursor atlas. Unable to write file. Okay. Oh, it's because it's got the same name. That was dumb. Now we're good to go. Okay, so now when I hover this, Oh, it changes colors and size, apparently. What the heck? And cursor at... Oh, it's because I'm not changing the... There we go. Oh. And cursor atlas. There we go. Last change. Boom. There's my hand cursor. All right. We have a cursor system. Now I gotta go to work, so I'm leaving. But thanks for stopping by and sharing your recipe. I'm gonna... Actually, let me copy down the recipe real quick. Because your last one was incredible. As bread, you use the Turkish pizza. Never done that before. Gonna have to make some Turkish pizza. Blew us away on Friday. Perfect. Yeah, I like the idea of popping a salad in there too. Get some acidity to it. That sounds nice. All right. Didn't expect it to be that good. Awesome. All right. Well, I'm gonna